Hey, what's up everybody, how's it going? I'm out here in Lebanon, Oregon. Got the drone about to take off and go fly around a water tower out here. But I just got done eating lunch. I did a photo shoot here. Like, there's a place here in Lebanon that has a, what's it called? Like it used to be like an old factory or something like that. So I was out there doing a photo shoot for a family that I know. The daughter had a, like, it was like a model and stuff like that, or like a beauty pageant kid. So but yeah, so I did that out in the field with the family. They got like a couple new dogs and whatnot, so went out here. Then started pouring down rain. It's like, oh, so but yeah, I just got done eating, got some pizza now. About to fly the drone around this water tower, trying to create some cool content for everybody. Show off like what Oregon's all about. Take the photo really quick. Yeah, so something like that. So I was just flying the drone earlier, right, doing like a hyperlapse of a hill. There you go. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna fly around this water tower. I thought it would be kind of cool. Make a little, and try and work with like the colors and whatnot, trying to do more dramatic, or not dramatic, but like more cinematic coloring and whatnot, trying to figure that kind of stuff out better. You always gotta try and practice and whatnot, so trying to do that stuff. Let's see here. So and I love this stuff because it's the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I love it. And I'm recording on the Canon R5, and I recently got the Canon R6 Mark II, which I love. The only downside to that one is that on the top of the camera, it doesn't show any of like the f-stop, the ISO and stuff like that. So, which I'm used to, like with this R5. It's nice just to like flip it down. Okay, cool, there it is, instead of it being right on the screen. Alright, let's see. Encoding color scheme. So I'm gonna go to the D-Log, which it kind of strips all the color, but doing it raw, so it retains more of the color. You just gotta go back and add the color later, which helps it make it more like cinematic looking, a little darker color, more richer color and stuff like that. I'm just gotta turn around every now and then just to make sure that there's no homeless person coming up behind me and whatnot. Gotta try and, yeah, there's gonna be homeless people no matter where you go, almost, except for like the hills and mountains and whatnot. So alright, so D-Log. Alright, record. Ooh, this looks good. So once I'm done with this video, then I'll edit it and then post it right on here. We'll make a circling around the water tower. It looks like there's some cell towers attached to it, which is pretty cool. It's a multi-use tower. Love how there's like a lake behind it, a mountain, or a hillside, not a mountain, but a hillside right behind it. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's what was buzzing behind me. I didn't realize it was so close to me. Alright, let's do a close-up of it. We're not too close, but close enough. Gotta try and get this practice in somehow. And the best thing to do is just to get out and actually practice and find interesting spots and try and work on not flying it so fast and come up with some creative outlets for it and whatnot. Looks like there's a beautiful lake right behind it. good area to probably go fishing. There's a fire that's still going on from earlier today, which is awesome. Remote controller weak. Alright, so I think it's weak only because of the cell tower that's attached to the cell tower, or to the water tank. So I'm not going to fly it too far. I don't want to lose control of it and then have it go a quarter mile up and then back towards me. Because I don't want to fly into any airplanes or anything like that, so which wouldn't be good. Make sure there's no telephone poles, wires, and stuff like that, so I don't fly that into it, knock out the power system and whatnot. So but this is always fun just to do, just to come out here and go anywhere and just fly around. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be filming for right now, but I'm going to be creating some more videos. If you guys have any ideas of where I should go, leave a comment in the comment section. That way I know that people are watching it and liking what they're seeing, and also where people would want me to go next. But yeah, catch you guys on the flip side.